Hi guys, welcome on my channel BlazeOnMoto. That's gonna be a quick unboxing movie of Aoocci BM7 navigation panel dedicated to BMW motorcycles. Alright, so let's have a look what is inside. I am so curious. Let's open the box. Yeah! Ta-da! So what we can see inside. The item is coming with two cameras. The front one and the rear one, and some attaching parts together with Allen key and some screws inside. And another thing what we have here, it's like some kind of adapter. Why adapter? Well, gonna be very helpful to connect those cameras. And we have pressure sensors. Yeah, this is in case if, let's say, someone doesn't have built-in sensors by BMW. So let's say the older version of the BMW motorcycles, they don't have that. In that case, you're gonna need it. So what you need to do, just screw on your wheels and then it's gonna start reading automatically tire pressure. Additional screws for the Y adapter, some screwdriver, that's very important. It's a 64 gigabytes memory card what's gonna be actually used to record your travels. And of course, the most important thing, it's a manual. You have all information what you need to start up this device. Let's have a look how the device looks itself. What we have here, size of that device is 7 inches, so it is massive device for navigation. It's really good, seriously, it's really good. It has an IPS 800 nits screen, IP67 waterproofness, real-time TMPS, tire alerts, and also according to the manufacturer, it has a built-in GPS to be very correct with speedometer. I didn't actually try it yet, but in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna be installing it on my bike and then I'm gonna take it for a quick ride to see how it works. That's all what we have inside the box. That was a short unboxing movie. If you wanna know something more about that, please subscribe and watch my channel. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Yeah.